guys close in a minute, but can I order some matchas? Can I get 4 strawberry matcha lattes? And then 5 lemon and blueberry? And then can I do 3 hot vanilla lattes?
But umlungu on no CV. He said I can go an extra mile. Are staged. But because who this proud of you guys. But on your CV you said you are capable of working under any conditions and pressure. And the pressure ita. Rachava. Honori. Joey Yemela. Honoro ego tlare our brother give me this attitude every time I go every time I go at Romans Peace every Friday night. That is how for this but the way through the broom but how do you close here vele tswala byamo nivala njani apha sana hayi vele ngicacise or but that's just how it is ne other stop when doors close yacho a re tlo emela wena o tla khole kwa o tlo tla ka moka ba 2 minutes to closing time expect gore na re tlo ira eng a e bereke bja but ye wena mlungu but someone did this to us and we had to make a plan for that order. Mind you, sivala 11 p.m. then we clean after. Yo, should ni high bomai after 3 hours. But but I know this feeling. Lapos funu kamba. But I love Xhosa people, Shem. This is so real, and it's so real, and it's staged by the way, Mar. It looks so real. But I'm Zuzu. Mfuneka mina. Well, she's tired. You forgot to say wako. Yo, guys, sur. But come here and bonus time. Those ones are the first in lines. Kate kota bofunu 7 njalo. Yo, guys, Zulu is difficult. But I will react the same way. Lomtu akatwala apa. Yeah, it's giving I wanna go home vibes. Like funge ka funukotuka ngoku. Utla throw are my colleagues. Then umlungu answered them back. But hi lumlungu. Utla queen bearing. That's the owner. That's ordering. They acting. Umlungu. Hi. Funge ka. Hi Mizuzu. That's original African. Shem serious. Yeah.